One day, those government grants didn't show up and they had no money for programming. And it was at that point that they made the decision to take their characters and they said, you know what, we're going to take our characters out and license them. And it was that decision that they used to then shift their strategy and say, we're going to use licensing to generate recurring revenues, generate funding for our nonprofit so that we don't have to be so dependent on grants. Now, they still continue to get grants today. When you start to move your intellectual property out into the marketplace, amazing things can happen with it because the value of it is not in what you think it is. The value of it is what occurs in the marketplace. And this is a great example because when they went to license these characters, they didn't know how popular these characters were going to be. And they didn't know that until they actually got them into the marketplace.